Hey my penguins, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you all this glittery sunset eye makeup which I created using the Beauty Glazed Color Board eyeshadow palette, and I've decided that I will create 4 different eye look using the same palette, and it will be 4 different colorful eye makeup. So I have already created a green one, so if you haven't watched it already, I'll provide the link in the description box. Kindly check that out. So today I've used the orange palette, so I hope you will gonna like this video, and without any further blabbering, let's jump into the video. And this is the beautiful Beauty Glazed Color Board eyeshadow palette, and I will be using this orange variant from the palette. So first I will be taking this orangish reddish color on a flat eyeshadow application brush, and I'm gonna first stamp it on the outer corners of my eye, and then I will drag it on my crease. I didn't take too much eyeshadow at a time, I just took a little bit of it as I like to build up the color little by little, because if you go overboard at once then it will be really hard to blend the eyeshadow later on. So I'm just stamping the color on my crease as well as on my outer corners, taking the eyeshadow little by little. Next up I will be taking this tangerine shade on a small fluffy eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm gonna blend out the edges of the red eyeshadow that I applied earlier, and using small circular motion I'm gonna blend out the edges really well, making sure that there are no harsh lines and the eyeshadow looks really diffused at the end of it. And this will gonna also add a light tangerine touch to my eye makeup. Now I'm going to take this bright yellow shade and I'm going to further blend it out on my crease. This will gonna create that beautiful sunset look which I am trying to create, starting from yellow, then gradually moving towards orange and finally red. So the whole eye look might look a little bit messy right now, but don't worry, once the eye look completes this will gonna all come together. So right now I'm just blending all the 3 shades really seamlessly, making sure there are no harsh line and the whole eye looks really smooth and well blended. So I'm just reapplying the red shade again, because with all those blending it loses some of its intensity. So I'm just patting the color once again on the same area where I applied before, and I'm also gonna use the same tangerine shade and the yellow shade to blend the whole eye makeup once again. So I'm just following the same steps which I did earlier to create the perfect intensity which I'm looking for. And now I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm going for a half cut crease for today's eye makeup. So I've just applied a generous amount of concealer all over my eyelid, covering most part of it, and once I've applied it I'm just gonna look straight. I'm not looking too much upward, I just look straight, and the line of my cut crease has already created as you can see, and following that mark I'm just gonna drag my brush downward. I'm first gonna fill up all these areas where I have to cut my crease, and then I will gonna make the line precise as much as I can, creating a sharp edge of the cut crease. And for that I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer just on the tip of my brush, and I'm gonna draw a sharp and precise line, and whatever product is remained on my brush I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyelid, creating a smooth and neat base for my eyeshadows. So with the help of a small detailer brush, I'm gonna first apply that yellow shade on the first half of my eyelid, and I haven't set my eyelid for that because I want the most intensity out of the outshadows. So that's why on the tacky base I'm just applying the yellow shade first on the first half of my eyelid. And here I'm using patting motion. I'm not dragging the eyeshadow because this will gonna create fine lines and patchiness, which I don't want. And with the help of the tip of the brush, I'm trying to fill up the edge of the cut crease, not overlapping it, so that it will gonna look a bit neat and clean. Now I'm applying the same tangerine shade which I used on my crease and just on the middle part of my eyelid, and while applying it I'm also blending it out with the yellow shade that I applied on the inner corners, and also trying to fill the color on the edge of my cut crease so that there are no gaps, and also trying to make sure that it doesn't overlap on my crease. Now again I'm applying the same red shade on the outer corners of my eyes, and also I'm blending it out with the orange shade, and using soft tapping motion I'm blending both the shades as well as trying to deepen up the outer corners a little bit more. Now I'm gonna take very little of this chocolate shade, and with light tapping motion I'm gonna apply it on the outer V of my eyelid, creating some smokiness and depth over there because there was something missing I felt. That's why I applied very little amount of that brown shade. Now taking a clean blending brush, I'm just blending out the edges once more, making sure that the eyeshadows are blended into each other seamlessly and there are no harsh lines. So I have cleaned up the edge of my outer corners with the concealer, and now moving towards my lower lash line, I am applying that bright yellow shade on the first half of my lower lash line, and mixing the tangerine shade with the red shade, I am applying it on the other half of my lower lash line. And I'm also gonna drag it a little bit on the outer corners, connecting it with my upper lash line. Now with a clean brush I'm just blending my lower lash line really well so that the colors doesn't look patchy and harsh and they look more diffused. Now taking this beautiful glitter from the palette, I'm gonna apply it on the center part of my eyelid, just where I've applied the tangerine shade, and I'm not applying it very precisely or neatly. I'm just stamping the glitters on the middle part here and there, and this glitter is a mixture of red and golden glitter and the shift is amazing. Now to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, I'm just using a golden highlighter on my tear duct area, and I'm also gonna use the same highlighter to highlight under my brow bone. So lately I'm enjoying a nude eye pencil on my lower waterline, so I'm applying it in this eye makeup too. So I'm just curling up my lashes and applying few coats of mascara both on my upper as well as lower lashes. So I quickly popped on some falsies of the camera, and to hide that lash band I'm just applying a liquid eyeliner. So this is the finished look, and to match up my eye makeup I went for a really warm brown nude lip color, and I really loved how the look has turned out. So if you enjoyed watching this video and you really liked it, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button right beside the subscribe button so that you get notification whenever I upload a video. And also please share this video with your friends and families as much as you can, so that we soon become a huge YouTube fam. I really enjoyed creating this look for you guys. So see you in my next video soon. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.